Okay, why schema evolution in ClickHouse is so hard? First thing is it's like that by design. We've already talked about the MergeTree family and how ClickHouse writes in immutable parts. So writes are efficient and reads can be optimized using background merges, etc. And that makes that the key settings for performance and data operations are immutable by design. So once you set up your order by or your partition key, you cannot change them. But not only that, there are other operations like changing data types that require a full rewrite either of the column or of the whole table and its dependencies. So you have this operation, it's a data migration, we call it backfilling, that when doing over huge tables, this is not yet a database problem, it's an infrastructure problem. So you need to take into account, you need to keep the throughput while keeping low latency. You need to make sure this operation is atomic, that it's fast enough, and other things like taking into account avoiding data loss or data duplication. So yes, schema evolution in ClickHouse is hard by design, and that leads us to this second part, which is you need to gain some low-level understanding of what's going on when you do certain operations on the database. Sometimes there are changes that you perform in a table that produce asynchronous mutations that you need to take into account. Sometimes there are other implications on your system. You have your throughput and latency requirements, and they are going to be affected by any operations you do on the database. And remember, ClickHouse provides very basic primitives to do changes. Basically, you have some alter commands, but schema change is not just running alter commands. You have to take into account backfilling, duplication, all the dependent materialized views, your own SLAs, and remember, as you are doing operations, the whole system needs to keep working.